So a couple of days ago, I noticed that my bike wasn't charging. So last time that happened, the stator went out, and so I had to tear the whole bike apart. So this time I bought all the parts to do that before I tested it. And I went online and saw how to test, and my stator tested good. So I thought, well, let me just put the regulator on and see if this thing will start charging. And ta-da, it did. I didn't have to tear it all apart. And so that's why I'm driving here at night, because I just got done and I wanted to see how it worked. And it looks like it's charging just fine. 14.5, I think it was, at high rev. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Thank you. I didn't check the mounting of my camera, and it kept falling. That's why I had to pull over here and get it all tightened up so that